I don't play around with my pizza oven, and I definitely don't mess around with banana bread. This is my Reese's peanut butter banana bread. And it's not just a recipe, it's a flex. You start with 3 ripe bananas, the kind so soft they collapse in your hand. Stir in a serious scoop of creamy peanut butter. None of that natural stuff that separates, just the good, smooth kind. Add your oil, an egg, both sugars, and mix it like you mean it. Now, here's where we go big. I'm folding in an entire 8-ounce bag of Reese's mini cups. Not chopped, not rationed, the whole bag. Because if you're not baking with excess, you're just wasting heat. I treat this bread like a brisket, low, slow, and protected. Bake it at 350, watch that top, and tent with foil if it starts getting ahead of itself. Let it cool, slice it thick, and what you get is a soft, rich, peanut buttery loaf studded with pockets of chocolate. It's sweet, salty, a little ridiculous. And that's the point. Serve it at brunch, serve it at midnight, serve it to someone you want to impress. But fair warning, once they taste this, they'll expect you to bring it every time. Pizza ovens are not just for pizza anymore. Check out bpewdaddycharcoal.com for more inspiration and our excellent fuel.